First of all, we must take responsibility for our own security. Cutting our defense spending in the past 30 years was a huge mistake, and we shall never repeat. We cannot take lightly the threat from East. Russia's military rearming means that they could, within 2 to 5 years, pose a credible military threat to Europe and NATO. And Russia is no longer working alone. We see it in Ukraine, North Korea providing soldiers and ammunition, missiles from Iran, and military technology from China. We must act now to respond to this threat. We need to build a much stronger European defence industry. We have to invest more. Strengthening Europe's defence industry is an absolute top priority. And we have to be able to defend ourselves by 2030 at the latest.